At Priority Plasticse, our most important priority is you, our customers. We continually promise to deliver the absolute best in 4 key areas: quality, timeliness, relationships, sustainability. At Priority Plasticse, we define quality in terms of consistency and excellence. Our ability to offer dependable product delivery, steady customer service, and an infrastructure of committed people is how we measure our success. From raw materials to finished product, we check for quality and excellence every step of the way. Even the smallest deviations are noted and corrected. Detailed internal communication means service issues are addressed and anticipated. Our production flow and customer support personnel stay in constant contact to ensure world-class service to our customers. Our people take great pride in knowing our business inside and out. We're happy to share our product and industry knowledge with our customers. We think it adds great intrinsic value to our business relationships. Our promise of timeliness. It's important to us that our customers not only have the right product to fulfill their needs, but it's mission critical for them to have it on a timely delivery schedule. When it comes to issues of timeliness and deliverability, we stay nimble and efficient in meeting the most challenging timelines. Priority Plasticse is the working result of a strategic blending of multiple and complementary companies. Our 5 strategically located plants ensure uninterrupted service and a continuity of supply. Priority Plasticse is efficient and smart. We're a growing company, but we've not lost touch with what matters most: delivering quick service and great products when and where our customers need them. By offering more than 500 stock molds, most items are in stock and on hand. We have what you need and we'll get it to you quickly. At Priority Plasticse, we value the quality of the relationships we build with our customers every day. Our history is long and our experience is both deep and wide. Our companies come from a combined 130 years of industry experience. Invaluable expertise that we gladly share with our customers to improve their productivity and efficiency. Founded in 1895 as the Fort Recovery Stirrup Company, our primary brand promise has adapted and changed with the generational needs of our customers. In the late 1940s, we began metal casting and then embraced the plastic molding business in the late 1960s. The 1980s brought expanding demand and increased capabilities. We embarked upon expansions and acquisitions in the 1990s, acquiring Arizona operations and doubling the size of our Portland facility. In the early 2000s, the Las Vegas manufacturing facility came online, followed by mergers and acquisitions of the past 10 years, leading us to the diverse and customer-focused business we are today. Throughout our dynamic history, integrity and respect have remained the cornerstone in guiding our conduct in our business relationships. We've developed a people-centric culture both internally and with our customers. We rally in service of people so that we can grow together and enrich lives. We promise to deliver the best when it comes to sustainability, an issue we've cared about and addressed long before it became the factor it is today. We believe that if you're not an active part of the solution, you're contributing to the problem. We've always stayed committed to reducing and reusing while exploring new and viable production and manufacturing options with sustainability solutions in mind. Many of our products actually contain less plastic than they once did. We offer products that reduce the amount of plastic used through lightweighting and multi-layer technologies. Central to sustainability goals are reducing carbon emissions and lessening environmental impact. To these ends, we have opened new plants strategically located near client facilities, invested in plastic pallets to reduce contamination and increase freight efficiency. We process resins that eliminate the need for fluorination Overall, we generate less waste by recycling all unused resin from our facilities. Underneath it all, our foundational business value lies in bringing our customers the absolute best products in our industry. Here are just a few of the highest demand and most innovative products in our lineup. Our priority pour tight heads are known for being lightweight yet strong. Versatile, customizable, they're extremely durable in almost any temperature and impact resistant. Secure and safe, they're the preferred packaging solution for a wide variety of applications, including specialty chemicals for agricultural and lawn and garden, food and flavor concentrates, and janitorial and sanitation supplies. With shapes, sizes, and colors for most any specification, Priority Pour Rectangle and Priority Pour Round have capacities of up to 5 gallons and 7 gallons respectively, while the Priority Pour Mini comes in 2.5, 4, 5, and 10-liter capacities, as does the rectangular Priority Pour Fort Pack, and both are UN certified. With an easy-to-use shape and secure built-in handle, Priority Plastic F-style containers are one of our most popular products. Available in 2.5-gallon capacities, they're widely used for agricultural chemicals, specialty chemicals, cat litter, and edible oils. Always innovating in our industry, the Priority Pour Eco Multilayer line uses mostly recycled plastics. Our most environmentally responsible product, up to 80% of the core content comes from recycled material. Our proprietary T3 tri-layer technology uses recycled materials laid between virgin resins for improved long-term storage purity and durability. With environmental impact in mind, we also offer Priority Pour Lightweight. This product group reduces the carbon footprint by using 20% less resins and by having lighter weights for shipping and delivery. Less plastic, but still made to our exacting specifications for safety and longevity. Priority Plastics has over 180 styles and sizes of PET and PVC containers. Your products can be clearly displayed to consumers in various shapes, sizes, capacities, and grips. Square, round, stackable, from 4 ounces to 420 ounces, we can also design and manufacture to specifications. This category of container is a natural choice for candy and snack food, hardware, nutraceuticals, pet food, and pet treats. HDPE canisters, one of the most versatile polymers and the most widely recycled plastics material in the world. It can be molded into most any shape, making it a popular choice for packaging. With more than 65 sizes and styles from 15-ounce to 132-ounce capacity, high-density polyethylene, or HDPE canisters, come in various neck sizes and finishes, and are widely used in the packaging of nutraceuticals. Containers for pre-moistened wipes have been a mainstay of our manufacturing business for over 25 years. Made in a wide variety of sizes and colors, we aid in the manufacture of wipes for healthcare, electronics, household cleaning, automotive, marine maintenance, animal care, industrial, and sanitation markets. We have the capability to produce a complete towel wipe package. Canister, lid, substrate material, and liquid dispersion, and even flexible labeling options. Priority Plastics has convenient, turnkey solutions. Finally, at Priority Plastics, we are leaders in our industry, and we stay connected to the industries we serve. We pride ourselves in staying current with changing technologies, emerging trends, and developing issues. We are active and involved members in several industry and client trade organizations, including the Association for Packaging and Processing Technologies, the National Association of Container Distributors, Contract Packaging Association, the International Sanitary Supply Association, and the National Confectioners Association. We come to work every day with the promise to deliver our absolute best. Quality, timeliness, relationships, sustainability, and products. All for just one important reason. You, our biggest priority, our customer.